My humble pranams at the divine lotus feet of our beloved Bhagavan Shri Satya Sai Baba. Om Shri Sai Ram. Guruve Sarva Lokanam Vishaje Bhavaroginam Nidaye Sarva Vidyanam Shri Sai Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. I am Naina K, Balvikas alumni from Rajajinagar A unit. Bowing to the feet of Guru, let's commence the online Guru Purnima celebrations. Acharya Utsava, Bangalore West District. Sai Ram to one and all. Firstly, we have Veda chanting by Shri Prashant from Prashant Nagar Samiti.
ईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत नः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम्। महागणपतये नमः। प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्र्यवतु। गणेशाय नमः। सरस्वत्यै नमः। श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ॐ। ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयामदेवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः व्यशेमदेवहितं यदायुः। स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ नमस्ते गणपतये त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं धर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव सर्वं खल्विदं ब्रह्मासि त्वं साक्षादात्मासि नित्यं ऋतं वच्मि सत्यं वच्मि अवत्वं माम् अववक्तारम् अवश्रोतारम् अवदातारम् अवधातारम् अवानुजानमवशिष्यम् अवपश्चात्तात् अवपुरस्तात् अवोत्तरात्तात् अवदक्षिणात्तात् अवचोर्ध्वात्तात् अवाधरात्तात् सर्वतो मां पाहि पाहि समन्तात्। त्वं वाङ्मयस्त्वं चिन्मयः त्वमानन्दमयस्त्वं ब्रह्ममयः त्वं सच्चिदानन्दाद्वितीयोऽसि त्वं प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वं ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानमयोऽसि सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तो जायते सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तस्तिष्ठति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि लयमेष्यति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि प्रत्येति। त्वं भूमिरापो नलो निलो नभः त्वं चत्वारि वा आत्मदानि त्वं गुणत्रयातीतः त्वम् अवस्थात्रयातीतः त्वं देहत्रयातीतः त्वं कालत्रयातीतः त्वं मूलाधारे स्थितोऽसि नित्यं त्वं शक्तित्रयात्मकः त्वां योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यं। त्वं ब्रह्मा त्वं विष्णुस्त्वं रुद्रस्त्वमिन्द्रस्त्वमग्निस्त्वं वायुस्त्वं सूर्यस्त्वं चन्द्रमास्त्वं ब्रह्मभूर्भुवस्वरोन्। गणादिं पूर्वमुच्चार्य वर्णादींस्तदनन्तरम् अनुस्वारः परतरः अर्धेन्दुलसितं तारेण रुद्धम् एतत्तव मनुस्वरूपम् गकारः पूर्वरूपम् अकारो मध्यमरूपम् अनुस्वारश्चान्त्यरूपम् बिन्दुरुत्तररूपम् नादः सन्धानम् संहिता सन्धिः सैषा गणेशविद्या गणकऋषिः विच्छुद्गायत्री छन्दः श्रीमहागणपतिर्देवता ॐ गङ्गणपतये नमः। एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्तीः प्रचोदयात्। एकदन्तम् चतुर्हस्तम् पाशमङ्कुशधारिणम् रदम् च वरदम् हस्तैरबिभ्राणम् मूषकध्वजम् रक्तम् लम्बोदरम् शूर्पकर्णकम् रक्तवाससम् रक्तगन्धानुलिप्ताङ्गम् रक्तपुष्पैः सुपूजितम् भक्तालुकम् पिनम् देवम् जगत्कारणमच्युतम् आविर्भूतम् च सृष्ट्यादौ प्रकृतेः पुरुषात् परम् एवम् ध्यायते यो नित्यम् स योगी योगिनाम् वरः। नमो व्रातपदगे नमो गणपतगे नमः प्रमथपदगे नमस्ते स्वलम्बोदरा एकदन्ताय विघ्नविनाशिने शिवसुताय श्रीवरदमूर्तये नमो नमः। ॐ भद्रम् कर्णेभिः शृणुयामदेवाः भद्रम् पश्येमाक्षधैर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैः स्तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितैर्यदायुः। स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।
Thank you, Prashant. It was divine. ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಕೋರುವ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಹಾಗೂ ಗುರುಪೂರ್ಣಿಮೆಯ ಮಹತ್ವವನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸಿಕೊಡಲು ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಇಂದು ಶ್ರೀವತ್ಸ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ರಾಜಾಜಿನಗರ್ ಎ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ನ ಬಾಲ ವಿಕಾಸ ಗುರು.
Om Shri Sai Ram. My humble pranams at the lotus feet of Mother Sai. I welcome you all for the online session of Guru Purnima 2021. Now, I deem it a pleasure to invite the office bearers on behalf of the Gurus of the Bangalore West District. I invite the office bearers, Srimati Asha Anant Ma'am, State Educational Coordinator, Shri Shashidhar Sir, State Educational Coordinator, Shri Chandrasekhar Sohani Sir, District President, Srimati Prerna Kulkarni Ma'am, District Educational Coordinator. Welcome to the Guru Purnima session. I welcome our Balvikas Gurus, parents, Balvikas children and alumni for this wonderful Guru Purnima session.
शरीरं सुरूपं तदा वाकलत्रं यशश्चारुचित्रं धनं मेरुतुल्यं मनश्चेन लग्नं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किम्. Sri Adi Shankaracharya rightly says, what is the use if your mind is not attached to the lotus feet of your Guru? Even though you may be handsome, pretty, with great fame, huge piles of money, well versed in Vedas, with the knowledge of scriptures, or you may be a great king or a ruler, but what is the use if your mind is not attached to the lotus feet of your Guru? As Swami Vivekananda in one of his lectures told, the burning desire for God is not sufficient, but initiation by the Guru is necessary. Why? Because it's the bringing of oneself in connection with that great source of power, which has been handed down through generations from one guru to another in uninterrupted successions. Vyasa was a great teacher who gave many profound and sacred truths to mankind. His birthday is celebrated as Vyasa Purnima. However, the name Vyasa Purnima was changed into Guru Purnima with passage of time. Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. God is Guru, Vishnu is Guru, Ishvara is Guru. We should have the concept that Guru is everything. When we experience that oneness, we will be away from ignorance. The removal of ignorance is the meaning of the word Guru. Today is Guru Purnima. Gu, ignorance. Ru, removal of ignorance. The divinity that dispels the darkness of ignorance is Guru. Purnima means full moon. The mind is full of joy. There is an intimate relationship between mind and the moon. The significance of Guru Purnima is the mind is free from any mistake, any darkness, any sin. In full moon, there are no spots. Likewise, in a full mind, there will be no mistakes. Mind should be clean like a mirror. As we wipe the mirror to keep it clean, the moment bad thoughts are there, take the towel of love, put it in the water of sincerity, then wipe. This is wisdom. Guru Purnima means we have to develop our mind so as to make it full. We have to clean the dirt there. It is not enough if we extol God, we have to love God. It's not merely enough if we love God. We have to be love so that we can love the whole world. Every time Bhagwan addresses us as Prema Swarupa, embodiments of love. So, fill our heart with love. This is the main significance of Guru Purnima. Dhyanamoolam Gurur Murtim Pujamoolam Gurur Padam Mantramoolam Gurur Vakyam Mokshamoolam Gurur Kripa Mokshamoolam Gurur Kripa Mokshamoolam Gurur Kripa. Jai Sai Ram.
Thank you, ma'am. You have enlightened us indeed. Now we have Bhakti Sudha, a devotional rendition by Kumari Sahana from Chandra Layout Samiti.
Gurave Sarvalokanam Bishje Bhavaroginam Nidaye Sarvavidyanam Shri Dakshinamurtaye ಗುರುವಿನ ಗುಲಾಮನಾಗುವತನಕ ದೊರೆಯ ತನ್ನ ಮುಕುತಿ ಈ ಗುರುವಿನ ಗುಲಾಮನಾಗುವತನಕ ದೊರೆಯ ತನ್ನ ಮುಕುತಿ ತನ್ನ ಮುಕುತಿ ಪರಿ ಪರಿ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರವನೋದಿದರೇನು ವ್ಯರ್ಥವಾಯಿತು ಯುಕುತಿ ಪರಿ ಪರಿ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರವನೋದಿದರೇನು ವ್ಯರ್ಥವಾಯಿತು ಯುಕುತಿ ಗುರುವಿನ ಗುಲಾಮನಾಗುವ ತನಕ ದೊರೆಯ ತನ್ನ ಮುಕುತಿ ಆರು ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರವ ಓದಿದರೇನು ಮುರಾರು ಪುರಾಣವ ಮುಗಿಸಿದರೇನು ಆರು ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರವ ಓದಿದರೇನು ಮುರಾರು ಪುರಾಣವ ಮುಗಿಸಿದರೇನು ಸಾರ ಸಜ್ಜನರ ಸಂಗವ ಮಾಡದೆ ಧೀರನಂದುತ ತಿರುಗಿದರೇನು ಸಾರ ಸಜ್ಜನರ ಸಂಗವ ಮಾಡದೆ ಧೀರನಂದುತ ತಿರುಗಿದರೇನು ಗುರುವಿನ ಗುಲಾಮನಾಗುವ ತನಕ ದೊರೆಯ ತನ್ನ ಮುಕುತಿ ಕೊರಳುಳು ಮಾಲೆಯ ಧರಿಸಿದರೇನು ಬೆರಳುಳು ಜಪಮಣಿ ಎಣಿಸಿದರೇನು ಕೊರಳುಳು ಮಾಲೆಯ ಧರಿಸಿದರೇನು ಬೆರಳುಳು ಜಪಮಣಿ ಎಣಿಸಿದರೇನು ಮರಳಿ ಮರಳಿದ ಪುರಳಿ ಬೂದಿಯುಳು ಮರುಳನಂದದಿ ತಿರುಗಿದರೇನು ಮರಳಿ ಮರಳಿದ ಪುರಳಿ ಬೂದಿಯುಳು ಮರುಳನಂದದಿ ತಿರುಗಿದರೇನು ಗುರುವಿನ ಗುಲಾಮನಾಗುವ ತನಕ ದೊರೆಯ ತನ್ನ ಮುಕುತಿ ದಾರುಣಿಯೆಲ್ಲ ಆಳಿದರೇನು ಶರೀರ ಸುಖವನು ಎಣಿಸಿದರೇನು ದಾರುಣಿಯೆಲ್ಲ ಆಳಿದರೇನು ಶರೀರ ಸುಖವನು ಎಣಿಸಿದರೇನು ಮಾರ ಜನಕ ಸಿರಿ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಪಾರ ಮಹಿಮೆಗಳ ಹೊಗಲಬಲ್ಲ ಸದ್ ಗುರುವಿನ ಗುಲಾಮನಾಗುವ ತನಕ ದೊರೆಯ ತನ್ನ ಮುಕುತಿ ಮಾರ ಜನಕ ಸಿರಿ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಪಾರ ಮಹಿಮೆಗಳ ಹೊಗಲಬಲ್ಲ ಸದ್ ಗುರುವಿನ ಗುಲಾಮನಾಗುವ ತನಕ ದೊರೆಯ ತನ್ನ ಮುಕುತಿ ಗುರುವಿನ ಗುಲಾಮನಾಗುವ ತನಕ ದೊರೆಯ ತನ್ನ ಮುಕುತಿ ದೊರೆಯ ತನ್ನ ಮುಕುತಿ ಸಾಯಿರಾಮ್.
ಇಂಪಾದ ಗಾಯನ ಹಾಗೂ ಸೊಗಸಾದ ಅರ್ಥ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಕುಮಾರಿ ಸಹನಾ. Moving forward, a little spider inspired the great king Alexander to have patience and keep on trying. I'm sure all of us know the story well. Likewise, Dattatreya found his 24 gurus from nature. Our Balvika students, the Damini, Bhavika, Kashvi, Durga, Pavani and Sai Vrinda are presenting before you. Prakriti Leelam Ayu Gnanam.
Shri Sai Ram. My humble pranams to the lotus feet of Bhagavan Shri Satya Sai Baba. Swami says, give the Guru your mind as would entrust gold to the goldsmith. On this auspicious occasion of Guru Purnima, we would present before you a skit on 24 Gurus of deity Dattatreya. Nature is the greatest teacher. Once while Dattatreya was roaming in the forest happily, he met King Yadu, who was so happy seeing Dattatreya, asked him the secret of his happiness and the name of his Guru. Dattatreya said that the Atma alone was his Guru, yet he had learned wisdom from 24 individuals who were therefore his Gurus. Our Balvika's third and first group children are performing a skit on Dattatreya Gurus. Characters of the skit are Kavita, Sunita, Radha, Anvita and Kavita's mother. It is Kavita's birthday and she has invited all her friends for her birthday celebration.
Amma, time agide. Inna yaru baralilla nanna birthday ge. Amma, it's 5:30. My friends have not yet come.
Hi Kavita, how are you?
I am fine, Radha. Come sit. Have some biscuits. Anita and Sunita are on their way. What happened, Radha? Why are you late?
I will tell you. Today we had water problem. So I helped my mother to fill 10 buckets of water. To my surprise, I saw the reflection of the sun in all the buckets. Immediately, I was reminded in a light that given by our Balvikas. She said that the soul may appear in different bodies. Yet everyone is connected to soul and soul is same in all, like the sun.
Hi, Sunita. Tell us about your experience in your estate.
Yeah, there was a bonfire. Seeing the fire burn bright, I was reminded that we become bright only if we attain good knowledge.
I think there is a water stream flowing near your estate.
Yeah, the water is so pure and clear.
Suni, but why are you sad?
Radha, you know about my cousin Anita. She teased me so badly. I was hurt. Then I went sat alone, gaping at the sky, seeing at the moon. My aunt noticed this. She reminded Anita about Swami saying, help ever, hurt never. Then Anita came to me and told me sorry. My aunt pacified me, telling that though the sky contains the air, the moon, the stars, clouds, it is not in contact with them. Likewise, we must not be worried. If we feel one with our soul and universal self, we will be happy always.
Anvita, how was your experience at the zoo and at the bird park?
Wow, it was a great experience. You know what happened? The raven had flesh in his mouth, but a flock of birds attacked and snatched the flesh piece. Like the raven, the bee gathers, collects nectar little by little from thousands of flowers and stores it in the hive. But what does the honey gatherer do? He just comes and collects the honey without any extra effort.
Hey, remember, we used to call Anu Bumblebee because she had knowledge, but never did she share with us. Thus, having knowledge or anything, we need to share with others.
The other animals in the zoo were the pigeon, elephant, moth, deer. You know, all of them were attracted by one or the other things and were at risk and danger. On the way back in the evening, we saw a girl dancing called Pingala. None watched her dance and she didn't earn money, but she slept contented. The happiness lies in the contentment.
My mother gifted me this aquarium with fish in it. Not only that, see what she has written on it. Greed for food must be destroyed. If our tongue is under control, all our other sense organs will be under control. Okay, come, let's light the lamp and cut the cake.
I want some more piece of cake.
Hey Radha, we should be like the python and be satisfied with whatever we get to eat.
My sister is very lucky. She's still 11, sucking milk free from all cares.
Also today, a guest, a sage, came to my home and blessed us. My parents requested him to stay for one day. Do you know what he said? Just like a serpent that doesn't build its own home, I too stay in the temples without building a home for myself.
Let's all play now. Pick a word from this bowl and speak about it.
Beetle! The beetle catches hold of a worm and puts it in its nest. And it stings it. The poor worm, fearing and constantly thinking of the beetle, the worm becomes a beetle itself. Thus, constantly thinking of anything, we can achieve it.
Oh, I got ocean. The ocean remains ever full, calm, and accepts all rivers without judgment. Likewise, we should accept pleasure and pain, gain and loss in life. We should surrender ourselves to God.
I have got arrow maker. Arrow maker. One day, an arrow maker was so much involved in his work that he did not notice that the king had passed by his shop. Thus, that was his concentration.
Oh, I got spider. A spider creates its own home web with its mouth. It happily lives in it, play, and finally one day draws the entire web into it. God has created the entire world. One should not forget to return to Almighty finally.
Earth! Earth is one of the 5 elements. We should learn to be patient as the earth.
I have got maiden. Maiden. A girl was husking paddy and did not want any noise while she is doing it. So she removed all her bangles and kept just each at one hand. Likewise, the sannyasi or the saint remains alone, even in a crowd, with complete one-pointed focus on God.
Saira. Children, till now whatever you spoke is about the 24 Gurus of the Tantriya. Here they are. Children, if we observe our surroundings like this, we can learn a lot from every object and everything in this world. This world itself is a guru. We, the students of Pavikas, can develop the 5 Ds from these gurus, which Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba has taught us: devotion, discipline, determination, dedication, and discrimination. Our Koti pranams and gratitude at the feet of our loving Guru. Jai Sai Ram.
Yes, you are right. Nature is the best teacher. Thank you, children, for a wonderful performance. Going ahead, it's time for a dance performance. Nrityarchanam by Kumari Anupriya from Chandra Layout Samiti.
साक्षात् परब्रह्म साई गुरुवंदना सत्य साई साक्षात् परब्रह्म साई गुरुवंदना सत्य साई साक्षात् परब्रह्म साई महेशा ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु महेशा सद्गुरु साई भक्ति पुरीशा सद्गुरु साई भक्ति पुरीशा सद्गुरु साई भक्ति पुरीशा शरण नमोस्तु ते साई महेशा 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 साक्षात् परब्रह्म साई गुरु वंदना सत्य साई साक्षात् परब्रह्म साई गुरु वंदना सत्य साई गुरुपद रंजन गुरु परमेशा गुरुपद रंजन गुरु परमेशा गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु महेशा गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु महेशा सद्गुरु साई भक्ति पुरीशा सद्गुरु साई भक्ति पुरीशा शरण नमोस्तु ते साई महेशा 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 साक्षात् परब्रह्म साई गुरु वंदना सत्य साई
ನಾರಾಯಣ ಸಮಾರಂಭಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಶಂಕರ ಮಧ್ಯಮಂ ಅಸ್ಮದ್ ಆಚಾರ್ಯ ಪರ್ಯಂತಂ ವಂದೇ ಗುರು ಪರಂಪರಾ. ಗುರು ಶಿಷ್ಯ ಪರಂಪರೆ ಪುರಾತನ ಕಾಲದಿಂದ ನಡೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿರುವ ಆಚರಣೆ. ಈ ದಿವ್ಯ ಬಾಂಧವ್ಯವು ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಹಾಗೂ ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಮಹತ್ವ ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ಗುರುಗಳಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿದಿರುವ ಜ್ಞಾನ ತಮ್ಮ ಶಿಷ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಬೋಧಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನಂತರ ಅವರು ಗುರುಗಳಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಶಿಷ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಹೀಗೆ ಮುಂದುವರಿಯುತ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಬಾಲವಿಕಾಸ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದ ಕಿರು ನಾಟಕಗಳ ಸರಪಳಿ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ. ಗುರು ಶಿಷ್ಯ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಭವ್ಯ ಬಾಂಧವ್ಯ. Now the students of Bhasham Circle Samiti are going to present a skit depicting Arjuna's intense Guru Bhakti to Dronacharya. Performers are Sai Trijal, Dhruva Kumar, Satyajit and Laksh.
The Pandavas and Kauravas were in the Gurukula of sage Dronacharya. He used to teach them archery and other studies. Among all the princes, Arjuna was the best. He was very sincere and hardworking. Duryodhana and others were very jealous of Arjuna. They complained that the Guru was partial to Arjuna. Dronacharya wanted to clear this false complaint. So he decided to showcase the best qualities of Arjuna to everyone. One day,
see children, today I am going to test your talent in archery. You must shoot the two and sparrow on that branch. I will call you one by one. Son Duryodhana, come here.
yes, master.
Do you see that sparrow?
Yes, master.
What else do you see?
Master, I can see the blue sky, the big tree, yourself, my brothers and cousins. Shall I shoot now, master?
No, Duryodhana, you can go.
Like this, Dronacharya called other students one by one. They too replied in the same manner. Dronacharya did not let them to shoot at the sparrow and sent them back. Then he called Arjuna.
Son Arjuna, come here. Do you see that sparrow on that branch?
Yes, master.
What else do you see?
Nothing else, master.
Don't you see the sky, the tree, your brothers, etc.?
No,
Master, I see nothing except the sparrow.
You can go now, son Arjuna. This was actually a test in concentration. There should be no distraction for a student. Did you all see how Arjuna concentrated only on the sparrow and could see nothing else? Arjuna is the best in everything because of his concentration. This was the lesson I want you to learn today.
Absolutely right. With concentration, we can definitely achieve our goal. Thank you. It was inspiring to all of us. Shivaji Maharaj was known for his simplicity, honesty, and truthfulness. He had an intense yearning to meet his guru, Samarth Ramdas.
Shivaji was a king as well as a disciple of Swami Ramdas. Swami Ramdas was not an ordinary person. He was a great saint towards whom Shivaji has intense love. Once Swami Ramdas decided to test Shivaji. Once Swami Ramdas appeared in his dreams. Shivaji saw that he was sitting on a throne and that Swami Ramdas had come for begging alms. Immediately, Shivaji stood up and did the Dandavats.
Guruji, all this is yours. Ask for whatever you like.
Give me whatever you love the most. Oh, I am amazed.
May I, as well as my future generation, forever remember this sacrifice.
From now on, this flag will be the flag of your kingdom. This flag will constantly remind you and your further generation that you have selflessly surrendered kingdom to me.
The orange flag thus became the kingdom's official flag, symbolizing Shivaji's extraordinary love and devotion towards his guru.
Wow, it was very beautiful. As we have seen, the orange flag was given to Shivaji by his guru Samarth Ramdas for his surrender and devotion. The saffron color in our national flag symbolizes sacrifice. Thank you so much. It was a wonderful program by all the Bal Vikas children. Thank you, children. Great job by everyone. Swami Vivekananda was a famous Hindu monk. He was a great spiritual leader. He was a prolific thinker and a passionate patriotic who came out as free-thinking philosophy of his guru Paramahamsa into a new paradigm.
My humble salutations at the divine lotus feet of Mother Sai Ram. Naren and Ramakrishna were two different poles altogether. It was an intellect versus rationality, educated versus uneducated, wealthy versus poor, logic versus heart, no God versus God. Naren went on to ask bountiful of questions before accepting Ramakrishna as his guru.
I cannot find free time. Life has become hectic. Activity gets you busy, productivity makes you free. Why has life become complicated now? Stop analyzing life. It gets complicated, just live it. Why are we then constantly unhappy? Worrying has become your habit. That's why you're not happy. What do good people always suffer? Gold cannot be purified without fire. Good people go through trials but don't suffer. With that experience, their life becomes better, not bitter.
You mean to say such experience are useful?
Yes, in every term. Experience is a hard teacher. She gives the test first and then the lessons.
Because of so many problems, we don't know where we are heading.
If you look outside, you will not know where you are heading. Look inside. Eyes provide sight, the heart provides the way.
Does failure hurt?
Success is a measure as decided by others. Satisfaction is a measure as decided by you.
In tough times, how do you stay motivated?
Always look how far you have come rather than how far you have to go. Always count your blessings and not what you're missing.
What surprises you about people?
When they suffer, they ask, why me? When they prosper, they never ask, why me?
How can I get the start of life?
Face your past without regret. Handle your present with confidence. Prepare for the future without fear.
One last question. Sometimes I feel my prayers are not answered.
There are no unanswered prayers. Keep the faith and drop the fear. Life is a mystery to solve, not a problem to resolve. Trust me, life is wonderful if you know how to live.
As we have heard, when the student is ready, the Guru appears. Thus, in the life of Naren, Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa appeared and made him as Swami Vivekananda. It is our good fortune that our beloved Swami came to guide us onto the right path out of his infinite compassion. Jai Sai Ram.
Adi Shankaracharya and Padmapada. Padmapada had a great faith towards Adi Shankaracharya. Now, if we weigh faith and knowledge in a balance, faith will definitely overweigh the knowledge. So now, the participants are Shashwat Sridhar, Satvik Datar, Nandana P. Raj.
Sai Ram. Happy Guru Purnima to all. We will now present before you another beautiful example of a Shishya's devotion towards his Guru. Here, the Guru is Sri Adi Shankaracharya and the Shishya or disciple is Padmapada. Bhagavan Sri Adi Shankaracharya lived in the 8th century. Sri Adi Shankaracharya travelled all over India on foot and established 4 mutts. During his travel, he accepted many disciples. One among them was Sri Padmapada. For Padmapada, his Acharya or Guru was everything, and every command of the Guru was to be obeyed. The name given by the Guru was Sanandana. Let us now see his devotion and the reason why he got the name Padmapada. Let us now travel to the ancient city of Kashi. Namaste Acharya ji. My name is Vimal. Please accept me as a disciple.
Get up, my dear child. I will accept you as my Shishya. From now on, you will be called Sanandana.
Sanandana was very devoted. Shankaracharya was so touched by his devotion and sincerity that he would explain everything thrice to him. The Shishya, Sanandana, would obey everything his Guru said.
Nagendraharaya Trilochanaya Bhasmangaragaya Maheshwaraya Nityaya Shuddhaya Digambaraya Tasmai तस्मै नकाराय नमः शिवाय
नागेन्द्रहाराय त्रिलोचनाय भस्माञ्जराजाय महेश्वराय नित्याय शुद्धाय दिगम्बराय तस्मै नकाराय नमः शिवाय.
One day, Sri Adi Shankaracharya decided to travel. He crossed the river Ganga. River Ganga was flooded. The disciples were all standing on the other bank. Shankaracharya called them. The other disciples were afraid, but Sanandana just walked over the water and reached his guru. All the disciples were astonished. Mother Ganga was so deeply touched by his devotion that wherever Sanandana's feet were kept, a beautiful lotus or Padma bloomed.
My dear Shishyas, come here.
As you say.
I am so pleased with your devotion. From now on, you will be called Padmapada.
Thus, with this beautiful story, we learn that we should have complete faith in our Guru. A Guru's very existence in our life grants us the impossible. Thank you.
Swami says, love all, serve all, help ever, hurt never. The Balvika students, Vaishnavi, Dhruti and Shivani are going to narrate about Swami and his teachings.
Offering our humble pranams at the lotus feet of our beloved Swami. On this auspicious occasion of Guru Purnima, we, the Balvikas alumni, present to you Swami's sayings about Guru and Guru Purnima. Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba began his role as a spiritual teacher from a very young age, guiding all the people towards goodness and godliness. As we have learnt in Balvikas, he set an example by starting the Pandhari Bhajan group and conducted various street plays. In October 1940, Sri Satya Sai Baba declared his mission with the bhajan Manas bhajare Guru Charanam Dustara Bhava Sagara Taranam, meaning, O mind, take refuge at the feet of the Guru. He will guide you across this ocean of life. Now, who is a Guru? As Balvika students, we have learned the Vedic mantra Matra Devo Bhava, Pitra Devo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava. In one of the discourses, Swami says, the first Guru is the mother, the second is the father, next is the teacher. But the true Guru can alone open the inner eye and cleanse the inner instruments of infusion. He is the one who can take us towards Soham. As in, I am He, I am the spark of glory, I am divine. What is the meaning of the word Guru? Gu means darkness or ignorance. Ru means its removal. So, Guru must know the process by which ignorance can be removed. God is the Guru right in the heart, ready to lead and enlighten. He is all-knowing, all-powerful and all-pervading. Now, I request Shivani to continue.
Thank you, Dhruti. Now, let us learn about the signs and qualities of a true Guru. Baba says, the true Guru is one who has no ego or selfishness and can raise the student to his own level. The signs of a true Guru are large-heartedness absolute selflessness, purity of living, freedom of acquisitiveness, absence of envy, and equal-mindedness in his conduct towards everyone. The true Guru's role is to lead the student on the Godward path.
Shivani, this reminds me of a story of Guru Kabir. Dharamdas was a wealthy merchant. He was a companion of Guru Kabir in his previous life. So, Guru Kabir decided to give him liberation. But when Guru Kabir arrived at Dharamdas's house, he saw that they were committing a grave sin of burning a log of wood that was filled with ants. When he objected the act, Dharamdas's wife belittled Guru Kabir and sent him away. When Dharamdas learned the truth, he was very sad. His wife suggested him to announce a feast, invite all the sages, and Guru Kabir will surely be attracted to it like a moth to a flame. So, taking the suggestion of his wife, he announced many feasts, invited all the sages for a very long time, lost all his wealth, but Guru Kabir never attended any of it. So, after losing all his hope, Dharamdas decided to drown himself in the river Ganga. While walking on the banks of river Ganga, he saw Guru Kabir sitting there. He fell at Guru Kabir's feet and asked why he never attended any of the feasts he gave away, and that now he had no money to serve him. Guru Kabir said that if he was still wealthy and was attached to the wealth, then he would have not been ready for initiation. And Dharamdas would have thought that Guru Kabir and all the other saints were attracted to the wealth of the seekers. But now, as he had no wealth and had been forced to live with humility, and he had developed a deep yearning for a Guru, which occurs in the hearts of all the true seekers, he was ready for initiation. Shivani, this story is an example of how a Guru is a one with no ego or selfishness, or is not the one who is attracted to wealth, and Guru is the one who leads students towards or in the Godward path.
Thank you, Vaishnavi. We all know that God is the only Guru. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Swami has said, the Guru you are seeking all over the world is within you in the form of Trinity, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara, and can protect you, elevate you. The essence of all religion, all teaching, and the spiritual path is the only one thing: love. Develop that divine love and do not give up God under any situation or difficulties. Coming to Guru Purnima, it is celebrated in the lunar month of Ashada on the full moon day as a day dedicated to Guru. It is a day dedicated to remember the Guru with gratitude, reflect on the Guru's teaching, and resolve to put up his teaching into daily practice. Now, I request Shivani to take over.
Thank you, Dhruti. Now let us learn about the significance of Guru Purnima. Baba says the moon is the presiding deity of the mind. Purnima represents the state of the moon when it is filled with love. Guru Purnima is the day on which one celebrates the removal of darkness and ignorance from the mind. The Guru must facilitate the vision of unity without the discords and divisions of mind and thine that is present in the human mind. Such a Guru was Sage Vyasa. This day is also celebrated as Vyasa Purnima, a day when mankind gives the gratitude he deserves. He led man to fulfillment in eliminating animalistic tendencies and reaching out the divinity that is present in his essence.
Shivani, On this day of Guru Purnima, Swami has given us a 5-letter pronouncement in Telugu, Devudu Unnadu, meaning God is. We must make this our anchor. If we keep reciting it, thinking over it, acting up to it, and conveying it to others, immersing ourselves in the bliss of this experience, we will be making a great contribution to the welfare of mankind. We can make the world a paradise to live in if we have the faith in God and demonstrate it in our actions. We will also have the courage and determination to face all the difficulties. By propagating the mantra God is, we can promote Daiva Preeti and Papa Bhiti. This mantra is more powerful than any other mantra. Jai Sai Ram.
Swami says, Harinama Sankirtana Kali Yuga Sadhana. For these people, in the busy age of Kali Yuga, fear and anxiety is at the peak. The remembrance of God and the repetition of His name with pure heart is one and only means of liberation that is accessible to all. It is the God name that promotes the fame of a person. Next, we have a blissful bhajan session by Ishta, Tejas, Nayana, Satvik, Niharika, Lakshmi and Vidya.
Gajanana he Shubhanana, Gajanana he Shubhanana, Gajanana he Shubhanana, Gajanana he Shubhanana, Gauri Manohara Priyanandana, Gauri Manohara Priyanandana, Gauri Manohara Priyanandana, Gauri Manohara
भवानी माँ,
अम्बे भवानी माँ साई भवानी माँ,
अम्बे भवानी माँ साई भवानी माँ,
अम्बे भवानी माँ साई भवानी माँ।
जय जय भवानी माँ अम्बे भवानी माँ,
जय जय भवानी माँ अम्बे भवानी माँ।
शिरडी भवानी माँ भरती निवासी माँ,
शिरडी भवानी माँ भरती निवासी माँ,
शिरडी भवानी माँ भरती निवासी माँ,
शिरडी भवानी माँ भरती निवासी माँ।
हृदया निवासी माँ अम्बे भवानी माँ,
हृदया निवासी माँ अम्बे भवानी माँ,
हृदया निवासी माँ साई भवानी माँ,
हृदया निवासी माँ साई भवानी माँ।
जय जय भवानी माँ अम्बे भवानी माँ,
जय जय भवानी माँ अम्बे भवानी माँ,
अम्बे भवानी माँ साई भवानी माँ,
अम्बे भवानी माँ साई भवानी माँ।
जय जय भवानी माँ अम्बे भवानी माँ,
जय जय भवानी माँ अम्बे भवानी माँ।
शिरडी भवानी माँ भरती निवासी माँ,
शिरडी भवानी माँ भरती निवासी माँ,
हृदया निवासी माँ अम्बे भवानी माँ,
हृदया निवासी माँ अम्बे भवानी माँ,
हृदया निवासी माँ साई भवानी माँ,
हृदया निवासी माँ साई भवानी माँ।
जय जय भवानी
माँ अम्बे भवानी माँ।
गुरुदेवा प्रिय देवा साई देवा दयामया, गुरुदेवा प्रिय देवा साई देवा दयामया, विभूति सुंदर शशांक शेखर, साई शंकर दया करो, साई शंकर दया करो, साई शंकर दया करो, साई शंकर दया करो, गुरुदेवा प्रिय देवा साई देवा दयामया, गुरुदेवा प्रिय देवा साई देवा दयामया, गोकुल नंदन साई गोपाला, रघुकुल भूषण साई रामा, हे मदनाथ दया करो, हे मदनाथ दया करो, हे मदनाथ दया करो, हे मदनाथ गुरुनन्दन साई गोपाला रघुकुल भूषण साई रामा हे मदनाथ दया करो हे मदनाथ दया करो हे मदनाथ दया करो हे मदनाथ दया करो गुरुदेवा प्रिय देवा साई देवा दयामया
பழனி முருகா வேல் முருகா பழனி முருகா வேல் முருகா பழனி முருகா வேல் முருகா பழனி முருகா வேல் முருகா சரணம் சரணம் வேல் முருகா சரணம் சரணம் வேல் முருகா சரணம் சரணம் வேல் முருகா शरणं शरणं वेल मुरुगा गणपति सोदर वेल मुरुगा गणपति सोदर वेल मुरुगा कार्तिकेय वेल मुरुगा कार्तिकेय वेल मुरुगा साई देवा वेल मुरुगा साई देवा वेल मुरुगा पழனி முருகா வேல் முருகா பழனி முருகா வேல் முருகா சரணம் சரணம் வேல் முருகா சரணம் சரணம் வேல் முருகா கணபதி சோதர வேல் முருகா கணபதி சோதர வேல் முருகா கார்த்திகேய வேல் முருகா कार्तिकेय वेल मुरुगा साई देवा वेल मुरुगा साई देवा वेल मुरुगा हर हरो हरा षण्मुखा हर हरो हरा 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 हरो हरा हरो हरा 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 हर हरो हरा पழனி मुरुगा वेल मुरुगा
ಭಜನೆಯ ಸಾರಾಂಶ. ಭ ಎಂದರೆ ಭವಸಾಗರ ದಾಟಿಸಿ, ಜ ಎಂದರೆ ಜನನ ಮರಣಗಳಿಂದ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ, ನೆ ಎಂದರೆ ಆತ್ಮನಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಲೆ ನಿಲ್ಲುವುದು. ಇದೇ ಭಜನೆ. ಇಂತಹ ಮಧುರವಾದ ಭಜನಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. Now I hand over to Srimati Prerna Kulkarni ma'am, District Education Coordinator.
ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतम् भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि. ಗುರುಗೀತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವರಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಪರಮಾನಂದವನ್ನು ನೀಡುವಂತಹ ಜ್ಞಾನಮೂರ್ತಿಯಾದಂತಹ ದ್ವಂದ್ವಗಳಿಗೆ ಅತೀತನಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಭಾವಗುಣಗಳಿಗೂ ಮೀರಿದಂತಹ ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಭಗವಂತನ ದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಭೂತನಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವಂತಹ ಭಗವಾನ್ ಶ್ರೀ ಸತ್ಯಸಾಯಿ ಬಾಬಾರವರ ದಿವ್ಯ ಚರಣಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಅನಂತ ಕೋಟಿ ಪ್ರಣಾಮಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಶ್ರೀ ಸತ್ಯಸಾಯಿ ಸೇವಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ವಿಭಾಗದ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸಂಯೋಜಕಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಆಶಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ರವರು ಹಾಗೂ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಶಶಿಧರ್ ಸರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಸೋನಿ ಸರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಬಾಲವಿಕಾಸದ ಗುರುಗಳು, ಪಾಲಕರು ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನನ್ನ ಸಾಯಿ ಪ್ರಣಾಮಗಳು. ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಲವಿಕಾಸದ ಹಳೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯಾದಂಥ ನಯನಾಳಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಲವಿಕಾಸದ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಭಗವಾನ್ ಶ್ರೀ ಸತ್ಯಸಾಯಿ ಬಾಬಾರವರಿಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪವಿತ್ರ ದಿನವಾದ ಗುರುಪೂರ್ಣಿಮೆಯಂದು ತಮ್ಮ ನಮನಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮೆಚ್ಚಲೇಬೇಕು. ಗುರುಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಈ ದಿವ್ಯತ್ವವನ್ನು ಪರಮಗುರು ಸ್ವಾಮಿಯವರು ಹೀಗೆಯೇ ಪ್ರಕಾಶಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಆಶೀರ್ವದಿಸಲಿ ಅಂತ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಬೇಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಸಾಯಿರಾಮ್. Now I will request Sri Chandrasekhar Soni sir, District President, Bengaluru West, to guide us with your valuable words of advice to our Balvikas, Gurus and children. Thank you. Sairam sir.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. I offer my humble salutations at the divine lotus feet of our Jagat Guru, Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba. Respected State Education Coordinator, Srimati Asha Anand Madam, our District Education Coordinator, Srimati Prerna Kulkarni Madam, all the Gurus who are present today, all the Balvikas students and their parents, a loving Sairam to you, and also greetings on this auspicious occasion of Guru Purnima. What a splendid performance our children put up today. Whether it is skit, whether it is music, whether it is Veda chanting, they are always excelling, isn't it? I feel there is a reason for this excelling. There are multiple reasons. The first and foremost reason is obviously blessings of Swami. Swami has always given special importance to children and Balvikas children in particular. Many of us have seen there would be dignitaries like ministers and chief ministers waiting for Swami's darshan, but Swami would be completely immersed in a Balvikas program. That is the kind of love Swami showered on children and Balvikas children. So Swami's blessings are always there, which makes these students excel in whatever they do. The second reason is the dedication of Gurus. Our Balvikas Gurus are what one can call real Gurus. They're teaching important life lessons to these children. And my dear children, please always pay good attention to whatever the Balvikas teacher is telling you. So that is the second important reason for success of our Balvikas children. The love and dedication of Gurus. The third important reason is the company. These children, when they are together, they are trying to excel or do better in doing good, which is so important. It is such a good company that the children are spending time in, and which in nowadays has become very, very important that the children are within the right company. So I would urge all the Balvikas students' parents to make sure that your children are attending Balvikas classes, programs, so that they get benefit of this good company and the good work that the Gurus are doing. I am always very happy to participate in Balvikas programs. Why? A, the quality is really top notch. They put in all their effort. And B, we all carry the energy that these children bring, the innocence with which they do things, the dedication with which they do things. It is really an inspiration for all of us elders, children. So you are always doing a fantastic job of motivating all of us. So let me tell you, today we saw a skit on nature as a guru. It was wonderful performance. There are many other gurus, and like Swami has given one important definition of guru versus teacher. I feel teacher is someone who teaches the skills that will help you earn living, where they teach the subjects like mathematics, science, English, that will help you do well in career. So you should respect your teachers, no doubt about it. But I feel you should give far more importance to gurus who teach you how to lead a life. The first and foremost gurus are your parents, who are telling you to do the right thing. Secondly, the stories, the shlokas, and the knowledge that you get about our culture from the Bal Vikas gurus. You may not realize it today, but it is really an important knowledge that you are carrying. When you grow up, children, you will remember a simple shloka or a Chinna Katha which was told by your teacher, and you will know how to behave in a very difficult situation. So these are life lessons that you will be carrying with you. So do not forget them. And today, on this important occasion, make sure that you thank your Bal Vikas Guru, your parents, and all the gurus. With this, I wish all the children a great success in all their careers and endeavors that they do. I thank all our district Bal Vikas Gurus for their efforts in putting up these wonderful programs. May Swami shower his blessings on all of you. I pray to Bhagwan to soon start our Bal Vikas classes in person. Till then, we will continue meeting online. It's a joy and a pleasure. With these few words, I would like to thank Swami for giving me this opportunity to interact with all you wonderful children. Om Shri Sai Ram.
Any event cannot be successful without people who dedicate their resources and time to make sure everything is faultless. Firstly, my most sincere thanks to Almighty God, Bhagwan Baba, for making today's event a resounding success with his blessings and grace. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the office bearers, Srimati Asha Anant Ma'am and Shri Shashidhar Sir, State Education Coordinators, Shri Chandrasekhar Sahani Sir, District President, Srimati Prerna Kulkarni Ma'am, District Education Coordinator. I acknowledge the contribution of those who worked really hard to make this Acharya Utsava happen. Our sincere gratitude to all the parents and well-wishers for your rock-solid support system and encouragement. Without your support, children were not able to achieve excellence. Finally, I would like to thank our budding flowers for impressive performances. Gurus are the backbone and have played a major role. Thank you, dignitaries, Bal Vikas Gurus, alumni, parents, children, well-wishers, and each one of you. Thank you so much. We conclude this program by Mahamangalarati. Jai Sai Ram.
Om Jai Jagadish Hare Swami Satya Sai Hare Bhakta Jana Samrakshak Bhakta Jana Samrakshak Bharti Maheshwara Om Jai Jagadish Hare Shashi Bhajana Shri Kara Sarva Pranapate Swami Sarva Pranapate पते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपदान्धवा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे माता पिता गुरुदैवं मरि अन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरि अन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्राशयन ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल हारति अंधको मंगल हारति अंधको मंदर गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु